Facebook pages, actually social media pages, and so sorry.
naye kyekyo abatuuseko abo abahandolinga Facebook zo ne batandika okuddamu bafans
omanyi usually mbagamba aba social media handling, aba social media page handling, aba social media pages handlers, usually mbagamba okubeera polite kubanga nze I don't believe in okuvuma abantu I don't believe in that. So that's not my style, that's not my brand. Just usually I ignore, or I can reply but polite. So now I encourage them to reply but polite. So those are once in a while nabo batabuka. I think sometimes abantu nabo batabuka and they want to defend their artists. So that's human nature. But still, I had to remind them and say, you know what? Much as you want to defend me, thank you so much for defending me. But you have to understand, abantu banji who are following the page, for example, Facebook page, we are close. We are so many. We are in hundreds of thousands. We're close to 600,000. There are many. And also there's Instagram. There's also Twitter. So I get it. Sometimes abantu very different. See, imbagulira all the time. So kuchitegera nti not everybody is going to like you. Chitegera. Not everybody loves Angella. Waliwo abantu just they hate Angella. Anything never balava ekifananyi kyange bagala chibatama bagala kufa. They want to bust. So I have to remind my social media handles that not everybody is going to love the brand. So you have to prepare. In fact, you should expect more to not like the brand. And be surprised when they do. So always be polite and answer yes, but tobavuma.
Okay. Aba Facebook bad bagezako ku embarrassing. That you don't know how to cook, you can't cook. Oloza babade bafachi nawe.
When you're a public figure and abantu bona all eyes are on Angella Katatumba, so of course ojja kufuna abantu chibatawanya nnyo chibaluma nnyo kubanga Angella tafumba okitegera nebanyiga nnyo. So that's their problem kubanga bo bafumba morning noon and night, but that's not my life.
It's not your problem.
That's not my problem. So just njirabanga comedy kubanga for sure it's comedy kubanga that's not my life. Omanyi abantu balina ku accepting a reality. That's not my reality. Okitegera simanyi ku ebyabe batege ebyabe bebakola that they expected to do to survive. It's different to my reality. Okitegera. So boba bakufumba morning noon and night, that's their story.
In this way, when you respond like that, abasinga bagamba she's arrogant.
But how can my reality, my life, how can me talking about my life be arrogant?
Be called arrogance.
That's my life. If that's not your life, then accept that we are different. Omanyi life tell copy and paste. Tell we are not one size fits all. No, abantu bali different. Walibo aba without cooking tebaja kulya. Walibo abalala like nzenga my family my parents always hired chefs kukola the cooking. So that's a different reality. So to know accepting each other for being different, to not accepting each other's differences. To a fena, we are not the same. That's what I can say.
Angella, olugamba olubadde lutambula mu black market nti omukulu abakulira abba ennyimba z'abaana ntono gw'okyogerako ki?
Ebya black market, first of all, it was so unfortunate kubiraba. Nange byabadde nange I'm a very happy girl, so sagala kulaba abantu nga balwana and they're not happy. So nange techinkola bulungi. But black market records, especially Cedric Singleton, our artists bayagala, they rush, never signing a contract, but tebabutegeera. For example, Chemanyi, that Bruno K is signed in an exclusive contract for 5 years. He has 5 years.
But he's saying he is signing omwaka gwena gugwako. 5
years. He's signed for 5 years exclusively. He has 5 years with black market. So those are teyabitegera. And then another thing, as a businessman, Cedric Singleton is a businessman. So I was signing it up, and then he invests. Investing a sentence, mu videos, mu audios, and then when the money comes out, if for example your song is a hit, then I know Kukolachi, he first has to, as an investor, I know Kwesasura, my investment. So he has to pay back his investment. Then Wamazo Kwesasura investment here, then whatever you agreed in your contract, kubanga buli omu ay negotiating a contract here, whatever you agreed, whatever percentage, then after nga amaze okusasula nga Cedric amaze okwesasula his percentage from his investment of videos, audios, and those audios and videos are millions. So after he's invested and paid himself back, then according to your percentages, you agree on the profits. So after he's paid himself back, then you agree on your profits and you share your profits accordingly. But as a businessman, he has to pay himself back. So artists tebabitegera. So for them, they rush and then they,
just sign.
Then they sign. And then when balabanga ebintu, they are not getting money immediately, forgetting that omusajja atadde mu sente ze millions ze. And then you go to social media. No, you get no tandiko okubavuma, no tandiko okuyita black market bayaye ne Cedric muyaye mubi. Then worse, no kwata ku ocean media wange, ukitegera ocean media wange, banange tebakwata ku ocean media wange. Bamuveko.
So for you, you're happy with black market?
Baveko ocean media wange kubanga Ocean is so honest, so straight, and so clear. Ochitegera, Ocean is the most hardworking. He's the best manager in this country. Abalala batwala sente zo ne baziria ne batakola work. Chitegera, but Ocean banage bamuvire. So chebakoze black market ne Cedric ne Ocean okubayita babi was so wrong. Ochitegera, and they should, Bruno should pray that Cedric and black market don't sue him. Because he has given them about the perfect case for defamatory. That is defaming and spoiling someone's good name. For example, Shumuko abadde alwana tata wange mu court, abadde amu defaming mubi taina sente, all those things that Bruno K was saying. Abadde abyogera byonna, tata wange namusuinga. And then Justice Henry Peter Adonyo ruled in my dad's favor and now ordering a shumu kumusasula 300 million shillings only for spoiling my dad's good name. How much is 300 million shillings in Uganda?
Million bisatu.
Million bisatu. I don't know which one. Bukade million.
Same.
Okay. So now judge now ordering Justice Henry Peter Adonyo ordered Shumuk to pay my father million bisatu just for defaming and spoiling my dad's good name. So if you are defamatory, abana Uganda tebabitegera, but that is serious. Atembalaba bulijjo on TV talking, abusing people without facts, without evidence. Guys, you need to know that that is defamation. So Bruno ino kusaba Katonda that Cedric ne black market records ne Ocean wange tebamusuwinga okitegeera, but nze ndooza agende ayogere nabo and he should apologize publicly and say I'm sorry. That's the best way, because if we're bamusuwinga, then that's going to be a very big problem for Bruno.
Okay. You have a new song called, is it Darling?
Yes.
Who's your darling?
You know, Rima Rupia, Bajita Darling, featuring Mr. Green. Naji Dropping is Mr. Green is a South Sudan artist, dancehall artist, very talented. I think Naji Dropping is a few days ago, and it's doing so well. So njagala mugenda ku YouTube yange, mu subscribing oliyimba, and it's exciting. If you're darling, is there, but sijaba bulira who he is.
So tulinde okwanjula.
Mulinde.
Oba darling Musudani.
No, Bambi, or you're just Naimbia naye. Just Mr. Green, South Sudanese artist, very talented, just Naimbia naye. But Nina darling wange, wali. Njababulira when the time is right.
Darling akola mulimu ki? Is a journalist, a business. Okay, let's talk about good people.
Yes.
We have seen many musicians going to Guru. We have not seen you there. Why?
First of all, when artists go to Guru, I don't. Umanyi omuntu akola hustle ze. Life is about hustling. So why would I get upset because okay. Ebya Guru nze sina tabu ebya Guru. I'm part of the Bar Club and Entertainment Association. Twin brother wange Rijuwa Katatumba is the chairman. So even us Bambi for the bars, the bars lockdown really. I tell to Charlie mu situation if you are COVID and all that. So the bars have been closed for almost 2 years. Bantu bali bubi abamu bafudde abalala balina stress ebya lonzi so bintu bibi, you know. So naye Bar Club and Entertainment Owners Association nabo bagala genda ku Gulu. If that's where the money is, tujinonye tuogere as a businesswoman nze me I always say chase the money. So sina tabu abagenze Gulu where even heaven mugende where the money is mugende mujinonye mujirete.
Then could you get connect twina kati online shows that you get connect abasinga bagamba it will not work. What is your say?
So I think anything can work. Me, I'm just a peaceful girl, happy girl.
Ngate tunakula bayo.
Tulinde bwe bampitanga ngenda.
Since the days are still there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Obugamba obusembayo Angela.
Obugamba obusembayo bwebale nnyo kujja, mbagala nnyo. Njagala mugende ku YouTube channel yange. Muwulize Darling, featuring Mr. Green, a South Sudanese talented artist. Mu subscribing and mu sharing.